Now, this is a review of the Rubbermaid commercial brushless sweeper, 19 centimeters width. It is an absolutely excellent tool. It doesn't contain brushes, it contains rubber, and you just assemble it and you just simply do that. There we are. So what is the benefit for me? Well, the benefit for me, by the time I've taken out the vacuum cleaner, plugged it in, brought it out, dragged it, etc., the job is done with this. It's an excellent tool, as I said, and here we have some stuff here. Just clean that. No, it's not going to be 100%. It's not very good with very flat items of debris. And as you can see here, within seconds, it is done. Now, as with all of the products that I review, I have no commercial financial relationship with that. So that is that. That's that product there.